Meaning of denominate.
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 Denominate. The word denominate means to give a name or designation to something, usually in the context of currency or units of measurement. By denominating something, you assign a specific value or label that helps to standardize and simplify communication and transactions. For example, when a currency is denominated in a certain unit, such as dollars or euros, it allows for easy exchange and comparison between different economies. Likewise, denominating units of measurement, such as meters or kilograms, allows for consistent and precise communication in scientific and industrial contexts.